My name is Jake, and I'm part of the team here at PBZ Manufacturing. Today, I'd like to talk about 5 benefits of contract manufacturing. Essentially, a contract manufacturer offers full service, custom manufacturing, ranging from design and engineering to production, finishing, and shipping for seamless end-to-end process. Here are the top 5 benefits of contract manufacturing. A contract manufacturer like PBZ already has the personnel, equipment, and streamlined process in place for maximum efficiency. This saves you the cost of purchasing equipment and materials and hiring additional staff. And after 75 years of experience, we've built a track record of working successfully with companies like yours. When manufacturing a product yourself, you typically depend on a variety of vendors and partners. If something goes wrong with any of them, it impacts your timeline and eats away at profitability. Contract manufacturers like PBZ can handle every aspect of your project because we've already optimized our internal supply chain. This improves our ability to schedule accurately and meet milestones on time. Imagine the convenience of having a single point of contact that's always attentive and accessible to you throughout the manufacturing process. From the very first day you reach out to us, we lean into quick, effective, direct communication. Our process ensures that you will not have to wait unnecessarily long for a response. It's one of the reasons why we say on our website that you will hear back from us within 4 business hours of your first inquiry. We start with good, quick communication, and we keep it that way. Custom contract manufacturers like PBZ already have layers of strict quality control in place. We understand the critical nature of using the right types of materials and conducting product inspections. With contract manufacturing, you have the flexibility to schedule projects when it makes the most sense for your business. You can also scale production based on your changing needs. A contract manufacturer like PBZ is specifically designed to deliver the products you need to your exact specifications. Learn more about contract manufacturing at pbzmanufacturing.com. Reach out to us if you have any questions about manufacturing in general. We'd love to have that conversation with you.